Amase. Amase. Pula. Nala. Utaluk, tsakamsilikazi, sihlanganisa bonke ubukhosi. Asazomosha isikhathi, sicela ukuthi sihambise le program siyazi ukuthi ivakashi zethu baphume ekudeni naseduze kanti ukuthi futhi okubalulekile ukuthi fanele ukuthi wonke umuntu ozile lana abone ukubaluleka kwalomhlangano. Laba announcement ngithanda ukuthi ngiwabeke lapha ingwenyamba zami zikhona lapha bazongena lapha kuntokazi but ngibeka lapha kusizwe sonke ukuthi nje ngoba bezingwenyamba bazibeka lenkulumo lapha yana bengifisa mina ukuthi sithi ukuphakama njengesizwe sithi ukuphakama njengama organizations more especially kakhulu sithi siphinde sibonge futhi ku the organization iJuwasa. Le Juwasa le organization yama magistrates akakamuka di tlamola monto ba totsana kamuka di kings akakamuka ba tlobolela ba le tshwaretse ditaba. So that's why ba tlile ka keno ka fa. That's why ke bolela ke re ka mkhole ka teng ke khopela lena ba le leng gona ba ebile se ke la tenyatsa le and then at the same time it ba apology for mobile ba tlileng ba lahlega ba ska tseba gore venue mo ya rena mo e mo kae. So ke khopela ba ba reng gona ka moka re utlweleng gabotse di programs tse rena le tsona because it's very important gona di changes tse serious for our country South Africa, even for our African country Africa as a whole. One announcement Nalana, which also before that one I said I wanted to thank also the organization of Juwasa. Juwasa is an organization yama magistrate nama judges. All the time lapho kunama kingdom obahlangana khona they are coming with us. Lapha within the constitution yona le ebolile broken. So at the same time they were all out as Juwasa to make sure ukuthi ba assist amakhosi just to bring back ama tribal courts. Not only ama tribal court lenga zanga phansi kwesihlahla but ama tribal court whereby amakhosi will have their own council yokwenza ama judgment mangabe nje kuba nenkinga within lapha emsini mangabe le case akusi case mhlambe yokubulala is not or mhlambe akusi case ye rape kuba ama civil cases nibezwile nje baba bakhuluma they were talking about ama cases 95% ama cases fanele bawayenze umsebenzi omkhulu kangaka but I government still ayibanakekeli sesibonile abanye bamajaji bagcine bawela emlingweni whereby bakhile bakramileko bawela into corruption leyangapha ngase South Africa ngoba manje siphethe abantu abacorrupt abaphethe imali eziningi lapha ukuzothola khona ukuthi our judges they are also getting tempted just because of abakwazi ukunakekelwa. So we are saying njengamakhosi we need to change that situation. Le situation iyochinjwa kanjani kwamanje we have just found out from one of our judges abakhona ngapha ngasemzansi to say that there is a judgment leke ya judge ukuthi kunamazwe ambalwa in the world including South Africa to say that is South Africa kwamanje angazi ukuthi mphakathi niyazi ukuthi iSouth Africa emazweni angaphandle asiregisterwanga as a government we are the corporate si company emazweni angaphandle angazi ukuthi niyakwazi lokho na. So manga nikwazi lokho and then the company enye nenye inama shares inama shareholders and then at the same time inama assets ama-assets kushuthi impahla yaleyo company. Do you know ukuthi le company ibizwe South Africa impahla yakhona ukuthi iyiphi? Do you know ukuthi iphi impahla phela mawune company mina mangine company lapha impahla yami lapha yana kuntokazi itafla leli impahla ye company yami imoto impahla ye company yami ama cellphone impahla ye company yami aza ba registered ngaleyo company but le company ubizwa ukuthi iRepublic of South Africa niyayazi ukuthi impahla yakhona ukuthi iyiphi impahla yakhona yini nina ma South African njoba lihleli so nimpahla yaleyo company ukuthi iRepublic of South Africa kushuthi ngabanye amagama babanibheka kanjalo bayenza imali ngani bayenza kanjalo le mali since from your birth kunalento ukuthi birth certificate so baqala from lapho nje kwenza imali ngani nina ningabanikezanga lelo gunya. So konke lokhu kuvelile kusobala just because of ama judges wethu eqineni kwela ngabathi enough is enough ngoba soloko kuyabonakala ukuthi izinto soloko nje ziya ngendlela engasiyo. So okukhona kwamanje loku esesibhekene nakho kwamanje ukuthi kuna le judgment eyayenzwa icourt yomhlaba, not icourt yase South Africa, icourt yomhlaba yonke, whereby wonke ama judges babhalile phansi basayina ukuthiwa kulama countries including South Africa ayikho semthethweni. So kulokhu babatsheli befana ukuthi bahlike bayekele lento banikeze intokanzi banikeze amakhosi umhlaba wawo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi babone bona ukuthi mangabe babeka ama political parties mabathi ama political parties mabaqhubeke ukuthi umnotho wezwe uqhubeke bazosho bona amakhosi mabafika lapha bangasho ukuthi noma kube nama political party bazaba lower house amakhosi bona ngoba banikeze bomhlaba izaba upper house bese kuyosetshenzwa kanjani akubi no president. So bona makwenze kanjani ngoba sibonile emazweni angaphandle mhlawumbe kuba no prime minister, u prime minister one wamakhosi amakhosi lawo ama prime minister baza babavotela labo bane abantwana benkosi kuyini lapho mama ngabe abayenzi kahle khona uma ngabe nibakhuza bangalaleli bese ke niyakwazi kubaceba lapha ku upper house. Upper house nawo amalungelo namandla ukuthi wena minister noma wena prime minister abantu bayakhala ngawo sicela kudede kulesi situlo ngaphandle ukuthi kuye kwenye icourt ushuthi ngabanye amagama abakhuluma kanjalo ilizwi lapho liba final ngoba masibhekile for example la kumzilikazi siphethe izingwenyama la siphethe amazizi ngitshelile siphethe uking Safiri wamakhoyisana siphethe lana kuntokazi lapha upresident wePATCA lapha bahlanganisa khona amakhosi. So leyo siphethe nje amakhosi nesizwe siphezu kwayo lapha yana. So leyo angeke sidedele kule viki elilandelayo we are going to make sure ukuthi le case siyaqhubekisa uma sesiqhubekisa sizoyiveza emaphepheni siveze kuyonke indawo. We are expecting ukuthi manje Simona upresident Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi akwazi kuloko ukuthi lapha eUnion Building ngendlela engesemthethweni ukuya ngomthetho welizwe lapha ama judges asayinile naye njenge president ama president wama countries nama ministers basayine khona. So I announcement lesiyenzayo ukuthi amakhosi nikulindele kuloko izingwenyama sizofakelela phezulu kwaloko and then siphinde futhi sibe nezinye amahlelo akhona amakhosi angifuna ungela lapho ukuthi ngibathathele amagama ukuthi kukhona ama project ezayo through ama humanitarian funds ukuthi into ezinjani ngalozo bakhona nje abongwenyama bomazibuko bakhona abongwenyama bomazizi abakhona abongwenyama lapha bomzilikazi lapha bazongitshela ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Ulokho ngithi mina njengoba nize kulomhlangano nibaluleke kakhulu futhi ninenhlanhla futhi nalo message nizohambisa ukuthi kulomhlangano olandelayo uma sithi imhlangano yamakhosi asafuna imhlangano amakhosi yokuba ngintandi asayifuna imhlangano njengale iyaphela lemhlangano asafuna ukuthi amakhosi kuthiwa inkosi sobale ama trailer lapho sofaka imikhukhu sifuna abantu bakhe izindlu ngoba lezo izimali zikhona siyazilanda lapho zikhona khona lezo izimali. So ngalawo magama ngizocela ukuthi bese ngiyaqale lapha kuntokazi ngizocela nje lapha lama ingwenyama zami bazokunikeza ukuthi ngibalandelisane kanjani. Ngizocela nje kube iculo elimfutho bese somisa ama ingwenyama zethu lapha bazokunikeza ukuthi basihlele kanjani bona lapha kuntokazi. Ngizocela ukuthi ake sibe neculo noma mhlambi chorus noma mhlambi sigiye for just only 2 minutes nje bese ngizobuya lapha.